Hi guys, so this is part 2 of setting up your reputation management on Go High Level for auto shops. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to take those reviews that you got on your Google business and automatically post them to Facebook. Once again, I'm a Go High Level affiliate, so if you do click my link, then I may get a commission. All right, let's go back over to High Level. All right, let's take a look at another thing. So once you've got that set up on your website, that's great. What about you just get a review, but it'd be great to post that on your social media. It'd be awesome to show people that stuff. You can do that. We can go in here into marketing. So you're going to click marketing. Oh, all unsaved. If you get that pop-up and says you need to save, then go ahead and save what you did there. So here, again, this is a template account. I don't have any social media connections on here, but you can connect all of these channels: Facebook, Instagram, Threads, if anybody uses that, Google Business. What you're going to want to do is at least connect Facebook, Instagram, Google Business profile. You can connect these other ones as well if you have it. Primarily, what we're talking about here would be Facebook and Google Business. So connect those, even though you connected it in the other portion. We got to connect it in here for the social media calendar. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So connect that. All right, so now I'm in an actual account. It's actually one of our agency accounts here, one of our business accounts. And you'll notice, I might black out the name there, but you'll notice here it says social planner. We've actually got some social media posts here. Some of these are scheduled, and if I scroll down, I can see these are published. And quick thing I'm going to show you here is these right here. You'll see that these are all connected. If I went back to this account, you'll see that nothing's connected. So once you do that, you'll see that these are connected. If you don't know what's connected, if it doesn't show up, you can click that settings or this up here, settings. It will show you what is connected. So you got these social integration. It'll show you all the ones that are connected or if there's any issues on that one. Now let's go back to this one. And I want to show you how what we're talking about is the reputation management. If you click that calendar here, you'll see that I've got these reputation management posts set up. So see all these right here, they're all the same. Looks like what we can do is click new post, because what you're going to do is you're going to do a new post. And there are a lot of things here. This video isn't particularly for social media posts, but we're talking about post reviews. Click that post reviews. This should be something you do right away when you set up your account, because it's easy to set up. So select review source. You're going to add Google or Facebook. Now I've already got this set up, so it's probably not going to work for me. Then you can do 4 stars and above. Choose your social media account. Here's where you can choose an account where you want to go to. And here I am in another account that actually I can do this and show it to you. So here again, you can choose whatever rating you want. You can do everything, or you can do ones you want. And again, this is going to be posting to your Facebook page. What you're going to do, you select these days, and I would just do 1 number per day. That way it doesn't look overwhelming if you get a bunch of reviews. Then just click this next, and here you can choose a background, or you can add an image. This could be very helpful if you want to have a background of your shop or your team. That'd be pretty cool. So you add that in there, and then that would be the background. I'm going to give you an example. Let's say we're going to do this. I would do one of these generic ones like abstract or beach, blue mist, but let's just show you this one and you'll see what it looks like. So here you go. This will show you the page name, which we're going to black out there. You can put a caption. If you don't put any caption, it will automatically put in the content. So if you see this little thing, it says, if the user has added captions, it will post the content instead of review content. So what's going to happen is it's going to create this little post. It's going to look like Google, and it'll have the little post of the person. Whatever they put on your review, it'll post it here. It'll also post that in the caption at top. But if you want to make it look like you actually responded, you could say thanks for your review, and then that will pop up down there. It doesn't show it right now, but that's what's going to happen. I like to do full author name, but if you want this initials, and you see how it changes right there, create post, then it's automatic. Anytime you get a review that fits those qualifications, it's going to automatically post it to your Facebook page and story. Easy, quick way to get easy post for your business. All right, guys, I hope that helped. And now you should have easily been able to quickly set up your automated postings from Go High Level to your Facebook page. Basically setting up so your Google business or Facebook reviews get posted over to your Facebook story and page. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to request these reviews from customers that just finished your service. It's going to be automated, easy to do. So just stay tuned for that video. And if you like this content, please subscribe and like below. And let me know in the comments if this was helpful as well. All right, guys, take care. God bless. Bye-bye.